Thutha wa kurana thikũ igĩrĩ ahingĩrĩte ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Gigiri, Jackie Maribe arokire igoti-inĩ rĩa Kiambu kũrĩa mwena wa thitango ũikirie mahoya matiganĩte mbere ya igoti, ũmwe wamo arĩ kũũria igoti rĩmahe thikũ 14 marĩkie ũthuthuria wao.
The general nature of the evidence that which the suspect has been arrested on, it's relating to serious offences which might be murder, accessory to murder, maybe in relation to issues of firearms. These are not light offences, these are serious offences, and this has been alluded to by the investigating officer.
We pray that in considering whether to keep her, and we have said please release her. If it were to be the case that you choose to keep her for a couple of more days, Your Honor, we pray that the environment under which she is kept is not unfair to her, inclusive of her being blackmailed, being intimidated, being coached, Your Honor. That's all we are saying.
Mwena wa thitango ukira igoti mamwe ma maundu maria mabangite gwika ni hamwe na kuya ithimi cia DNA kuma kuri Jackie niguo gucirigithania na iria cioirwo nyumba kwa mutigaire Monica riria akorirwo oragitwo.
Your Honor, we can't see the relationship between the need to extract DNA from her and the need to incarcerate her. However, I've taken instructions, Your Honor. I will just have to write here in court, and I've taken instructions. If the prosecution are very interested in getting DNA extraction from her, she is prepared to give it as recent as right now, Your Honor.
Mucirithania Justus Kituku thutha wa guthikiriria mena yeri agitikiria Jackie ahingirwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 10 makiria ceceni-inĩ ya Gigiri.
So in the interest of justice, I've granted the prosecution 10 days to detain the suspect at Gilgil police station. I've also directed that an advocate should be allowed access while she's in custody, and that she should not be forced to record any statement in the absence of an advocate. Further, on the issue of a safety which has been raised by Mr. Kangwe, I cannot say it is above expectation that the court should direct the safety of the respondent should be guaranteed while in custody.
Borithi magiritanĩtie Jackie ũhoro-inĩ ũyũ kuona nĩ arĩ na thiriti na mwĩkũĩrwo mũnene njũragano-inĩ ĩno Joseph Irungu kana Joey, na ũthuthuria-inĩ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere kũrĩ na indo cinyitakanĩte gwake nyũmba mwena wa Lang'ata iria nĩ hamwe na buruburu, na ũguo makagĩa na gĩtũmi kĩiganu gĩa gwĩtĩkia kũrĩ na ũhoro oĩ igũrũ rĩa kĩrĩa gĩathire na mbere ũtukũ ũcio Monica oragirwo gwake nyũmba mwena wa Kilimani gũkũ Nairobi. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.